is about the wolf today. Spirit says the wolf has returned. So what does that mean? What is the wolf exactly? What does the wolf represent? There are many things that the wolf can represent. The wolf is a teacher. The wolf can also represent the wild inside of us, inside of our soul, and where we've come from. The wolf is also about unity, family. This picture of the wolf that Spirit shows me, it's more about a story of this particular wolf. It has been on a journey for a very long time. The wolf has been hungry his entire life, and he's been searching, but just anything won't do. There's something very specific that he's looking for to nurture and feed his soul. You've been apart for a very long time. A very long time. And the wolf has returned. The wolf has returned. His search is over. He knows where he's supposed to be. He has traveled long and far. He sent himself out on this journey. He sent himself out. For some reason, somewhere in his lifetimes, he felt unworthy. So he sentenced himself to this life alone. And he has journeyed for so many lifetimes, completely alone, always in search of that one thing, so that he could again feel whole, so his spirit could rest and be at ease. He has gone through so many storms, and I see this wolf. I see this wolf and the journey, and how tired he is. How very tired he is. He is nearly beaten down, but he knows he must keep walking forward. He must keep walking, because when he gave himself this sentence, he put himself as far away as possible from the one. Silly wolf. And he knew that if he just kept moving forward, kept walking, kept moving, he would find the one. He would get there if it didn't kill him first. In a few lifetimes, he experienced the death without finding the one. But he wasn't going to stop. He kept moving forward. And every time he came back, As soon as his feet hit the ground, he was moving forward back into that direction where he knew the other one was. And he's back. He is just over that hill, just around that bend. The wolf is returning, and everything will be right again. He's tired. He is so tired. Have a great day, everyone. Remember, you have the power within you to change your world and create the life that you always dreamed of. Get outside, touch the earth, cleanse your space, do your meditations, and remember that this raven in spirit, we are sending you all the love in the universe. He's coming back.